I'll have a cheeseburger, please.
Again, you eat burgers every week.
I like 'em. They taste great.
But they're not healthy, Lisa.
I know, but it's my treat today.
You should try the salad.
I had salad yesterday.
Still, too much fast food is bad.
You sound like my mom.
I just care about you.
That's nice, but I'm hungry now.
Fine, enjoy your burger.
Thanks, I will.
Can I have one bite?
See, you like it too.
Maybe a little.
You can order one next time.
Maybe I will.
Good idea.
Do you want fries too?
Of course.
Then let's share them.
Okay, deal.
I'll get some water.
Thanks, Mike.
You're welcome.
Now stop judging my burger.
All right, I'll be quiet.
Good. Let's eat.
Finally.
Hi, Mike. Can you call the hotel now?
Sure, what's the name?
Ocean View Hotel.
Okay, I'll ask for a room.
Good afternoon, Ocean View Hotel.
Hello, I'd like to book a room.
For what date, sir?
From June 10th to June 12th.
One room or two?
One double room, please.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
All right. Your name, please?
Mike Brown.
Thank you. Breakfast included?
Yes, please.
All set. Anything else?
Is there free parking?
Yes, there is.
Great, thank you.
Did you get the room?
Yes, double room with breakfast.
Perfect. We're ready for the trip.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Hi, Mike. Ready for yoga?
I think so. I'm nervous.
Don't worry. It's relaxing.
I'm not very flexible.
That's okay. Just do your best.
Do we need mats?
They have some here.
Hello, first time here?
Yes, for both of us.
Welcome. Please take a mat.
Thank you.
How long is the class?
1 hour. You'll feel great after.
I hope so.
Let's start with breathing.
This music is nice.
Yes, it's very calming.
My legs already hurt.
Don't push too hard.
I'll try to relax.
That's the spirit.
Stretch slowly, everyone.
I feel better now.
See, yoga helps.
You're right.
Let's come again next week.
Sure, I like it now. Mike, our train is at 3 p.m.
Yes, but checkout is at noon.
Where can we keep our luggage?
Let's ask at reception.
Good morning. How can I help?
Hi, can we store our bags here?
Yes, we have a luggage room.
Great, where is it?
Just behind the reception desk.
Is it safe?
Very safe. Don't worry.
Could we pick it up at 2:30?
Of course. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's a big help.
Now we can go for lunch.
Good idea.
I feel free without the bags.
Me too. Let's enjoy our last hours here.
Yes, before the train.
Perfect plan. Mike, did you hear the noise last night?
Yes, it was so loud.
They played music until midnight.
I couldn't sleep at all.
We should talk to them.
Maybe they don't realize.
Let's be polite.
Okay, I'll knock on their door.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hi, sorry to bother you. Your music was very loud last night.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We couldn't sleep well.
I didn't know it was that loud.
It was. Please lower it at night.
Of course, I'll do that.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Have a nice day.
That went well.
Yes, they were nice.
I hope tonight is quiet.
Me too.
Then we can rest.
Finally. Mike, how's your soup?
It's fine. Why?
Mine is too salty.
Really? Let me taste it.
Go ahead.
Wow, yes, that's very salty.
Think I'll tell the waiter.
Good idea. Be polite, though.
Is everything okay?
The soup is too salty.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Could you change it, please?
Of course, I'll bring a new one.
That was quick.
He was very nice.
Here's your new soup, miss.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Is it better now?
Yes, perfect.
Good. Now you can eat.
Thanks for helping.
Anytime.
Next time, I'll order salad.
Safer choice.
True. Let's finish lunch.
Sure. I'm hungry now.
Mike, I need contact lens solution.
Okay, let's find a pharmacy.
There's one over there.
Great, let's go in.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I need contact lens solution.
For soft lenses or hard ones?
Soft lenses, please.
This one is very gentle.
Is it safe for daily use?
Yes, every day is fine.
Perfect, I'll take it.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe some eye drops.
Here you go.
Thanks. How much is it?
$15 in total.
I'll pay by card.
Sure. Insert it here.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
I can see clearly now.
That's important.
Yes, I can't live without lenses.
Me neither. I wear glasses, though. Mike, you look upset.
I am. The printer broke again.
Oh no, not today.
I need those papers now.
Take a deep breath.
I can't. This job drives me crazy.
Let's call IT.
They never answer fast.
Maybe I can print them for you.
Really? That would help.
Send me the file.
Done. Thank you, Lisa.
No problem. It'll be okay.
I just hate wasting time.
I understand, but don't stress.
You're right. I feel better now.
See? Just stay calm.
Thanks for being patient.
Anytime. We're a team.
Yes, we are. Want to get coffee later?
That sounds great.
Then it's a deal.
You're the best, Lisa.
I tried my best.
Do you remember your first bike, Mike?
Oh, yes, it was red.
Mine was pink with a basket.
That sounds cute.
I fell so many times.
Me too, but I didn't give up.
Did your dad teach you?
Yes, and he ran beside me.
That's so sweet. What about you?
My mom helped me.
Nice. Childhood was fun.
Yes, everything was simple.
No phones, no stress, just friends and games.
I miss those days.
Me too. Do you have old photos?
Yes, in a box at home.
We should look at them someday.
That would be fun.
Let's plan it this weekend.
Sure, I'll bring snacks.
And I'll bring juice.
Deal.
Mike, did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
Our boss is leaving the company.
What? Really?
Yes, he's moving abroad.
That's a big surprise.
I know, I didn't expect it.
Who told you?
Anna from HR.
Do we know who's next?
Not yet. They'll announce soon.
I hope it's someone nice.
Me too. I liked our boss.
He was fair and kind.
Yes, and he listened to us.
Things will change now.
Maybe for the better.
Let's stay positive.
Good idea.
I'll miss his jokes, though.
Same here.
Let's get coffee and talk more.
Sure, I need one too. Excuse me, Mike, do you know metro prices?
Not exactly.
Let's ask. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, how much is one metro ticket?
$2 per ride.
And for a day pass?
$5 for unlimited rides.
That's better for us.
Yes, we'll take 2 day passes.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, please. Tap here.
Done. Have a nice trip.
Thanks.
Now we can explore the city.
Great. Let's go see the museum first.
Perfect plan.
I love using the metro.
Me too. It's fast and easy.
Let's go.